Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Geno J. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe below. I'm here with my partner, Anna, and we're at this new build that she designed, and she's going to walk you through it and tell you all the crazy stuff she's about to do to it. I got a question for you.
Sure.
You know, I was kind of iffy about the 12 feet ceiling. I was more like, we need to do 10, you want to do 12. Why 12 feet ceilings in this house?
So the funny part, when you walked in, the look on your face, you're like, oh my God, that's what height does to you. This is 3,200 square feet. This feels full-blown 4,000, just because when you walk in, you have the height. You don't need as much square footage if you can go up. So you want the grand feel, you want it to be wow, you want to walk in and feel the height, cathedral ceiling height. Spend the money, guys, look at the walls. Once you see it done, you'll understand what we're talking about.
And she's absolutely right. I was like, when I first walked to this house, I was blown away. It was just like, it felt like a basketball gym in here. So I'm excited to get you here, and I want you to tell the viewers what you plan on doing to the kitchen. Because this is the kitchen area, right?
Yes. So if you look over here, all of this is open space. So when you walk in, originally we were going to do something what everybody else is doing, which is just an out kitchen. And then you start getting creative. This will be 22 feet of pantries, high-end appliances, chef's dream. This home is meant to be entertainment space on the bottom, my family space on top. So we're gonna have 2 giant islands, and the chef, whether you're cooking for yourself or whether you're hiring a chef, will have his own island. Incredible stove, a sink, 48-inch refrigerator, another sink over there. But the cool part about this space is pop-up hood. That's a new thing, that's cool. You will have another giant island that will sit all the way around, so you can actually host a really cool party. It will sit 18 people. And when you're done here, look at all this space. It's not about putting a bunch of furniture. It's about being able, you can have 50 people in this space, and it's only 3,200 square feet. That's the goal. That's called space planning. So I'm gonna have a hard time selling this house. Jean's gonna have a hard time selling this house, because when it's done, we're like, it's home. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. We're gonna go modern. We're gonna do some really cool lighting here. Semi-minimalistic, right? So I usually like to layer, but in this case, I think between the lighting, between just great functionality, right? You wanna walk in and feel like it's your home, you're proud of, and that's what we're gonna give you. We're gonna do a really cool bar, or a bar wall or wine wall, most likely in that area right there, so it's all integrated. And at some point, if this space can be another dining, but you don't have to, because I'm going to give you a built-in dining, and we'll see up to 22 people. So it's up to you. So that's what we're all about this place.
So there you have it, guys. That's going to be the living room, the kitchen area. Now we're going to go upstairs, and she's going to tell you what we're going to do to the master bedroom.
So I just want you to look up. The height. We're always going for the height, and the way we actually created carpet ceiling here has a bit of an angle, about a 45-degree angle, and we also built in a bench. It's a large space, so you don't want to just have a big room that doesn't have functionality. A lot of thought put into this, because if you look at this angle here and the angle of those carpet ceilings, it's about the same. So you may not realize it, but a lot of times you come in and you don't know why you like the house, because somebody like me comes in and makes sure it's all cohesive. So this will be this. And you can do that. Now welcome to your master bath. So one of the cool features we did, and I did it for all the gentlemen, usually we design for the women, but I think guys deserve something. This will be your toilet room. You're gonna sit on your toilet, and you're gonna have a nice screen TV right here. So when you want that privacy, grab your coffee, put on your TV, don't come out for 45 minutes. I don't blame you in this bathroom. Then you're gonna walk in, you're gonna have a giant double vanity here with suspended mirrors, enormous shower, his and hers, and a freestanding tub. So the cool part about this space, when you walk in, this entire central area will be open for you. So it will still feel big, it's not gonna feel choppy, and that's kind of what you wanna do when you're designing space. Make sure it feels open and big, but you still get everything you need. His and her shower, a tub, a nice private bathroom. Go big or go home. Usually you're only required to have a certain amount of space, maybe 3.5 feet. We made it a little wider, so it feels a little comfortable. And this is that male sanctuary that we're going for. So guys, do get some stuff. Nowadays, we all like to dress well, so we have a his and hers closet happening here. When you walk in, you will have his first. We're gonna have all of this really custom shelving going on the left and on the right. We're hoping for some shoe area that will go about 4 feet all the way up to the 10-foot ceilings that we have here. And a lady gets a little bit more space. She will have all of the left, all of the right, and this will all be for the shoes. So whoever's gonna own this house will have all that space to create an awesome shoe collection. The other wonderful thing about this, the entire half of the house is a master. It's totally separated from the adjacent bedrooms. So you have your total privacy. Your laundry room is here, so guess what? Go have a great old time there. Your kids won't even know you exist. If you have them.
All right, guys, there you have it. She's filled you in on everything she's going to do to this property. It's going to look super cool and super dope when she's finished. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Leave comments. Until next time, I'm Geno J with the KP and Geno J Show. Hope you enjoyed the video.